What's up everyone, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to save you some money. We're going to do an exhaust for your Jeep under $80. You're going to love this video. Here is all you need. There is the actual muffler. You got to get 2 clips, something to cut with. Yes, I know, I have a butter knife. My wife does not allow me to use power tools, so I have to cut the exhaust with a butter knife. We'll see. So before we actually get started, I want to do an exhaust clip, and then I also want to show you why I'm doing this. Obviously this muffler back here is a huge eyesore with this Evo bumper that I'm running, and also now that I have that iDrive, I want to hear this Jeep, and right now it's super quiet. So let's do a little exhaust clip and let you hear it. So then now that you've heard it, I want to show you where we're going to be putting this muffler and how we're going to be running it. So what we're going to be doing is actually taking out this resonator, which is about the middle of your Jeep, all the way back to your muffler. That's all going to go out. So this is where my muffler is going to be. I'm going to cut around in here and somewhere over here as well. Now you definitely want to measure it out, so that way you are cutting the right length. So to help to get a precise measurement, I went ahead and put those clips on the end of each exhaust and measured it. And you want to make sure that you're measuring from this counter sink mark right here. You do not want to be measuring to the end, because your exhaust you want to be coming in. So about right here, or maybe like 2/3 of the way, as long as you make sure that you have more than halfway of this exhaust, you should be good, and it'll all seal up. And if you're really interested in this video, I will throw the link to everything in the description of the video to save you some money. Like I said, this was only 80 bucks. I mean, you can't beat an $80 exhaust. I really wanted to get a pipes exhaust, but I cannot really justify me spending that much money on an exhaust right now. So this is the setup I went with, and we're gonna see how it works and how it sounds. Alright, in order to get this old muffler off, there are these clips right here, and I used to be able to get these off just using some soapy water and brute force, but I don't know if I'm getting older or if I'm just still tired from 36 hours of URI, but I decided to cut them off. And then as well, to get this muffler off, you see that clip there. It's smart to hit this with like some PB Blaster or WD-40, kind of will help ease it out. And then there's a tab back here, which I'll actually slide this exhaust off right now so you can see it, but you need to get that tab separated and this separated right here in order to get this exhaust off. Let me pull it off real quick and show you. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. This right here, you need to put like a flathead or a pry bar in between and kind of separate it as much as you can, get it off the exhaust. And this right here has to be loose, and trying to loosen it up along the edge with the screwdriver will help as well. Other than that, and it's going to take some brute force to get this off. It took me probably like 10-15 minutes of rocking it back and forth. It might not have been that long, but it felt like it. But yeah, let's get to cutting. So I marked it. Now it's time to cut. My wife does not trust me with power tools for some reason, so she gave me a butter knife. But see y'all in about a year. So this is day 2 on the exhaust now. I upgraded to this bad boy. Hopefully it'll work a little better. That's not doing anything. Alright, day 3. I'm obviously over the knife. Didn't work, so what the wife doesn't know won't kill her. Picked this up from Ben. So this job will be way faster now. What?
I told you no power tools!
It's my toothbrush!
It is not your toothbrush!
Alright, well I'm almost done anyways! So here's the final product. I'll do a sound clip and then as well as do a look in the back real quick. I'll probably turn the clamps that are over there on the left side a little bit, just so they're out of the way a little bit more, kind of like these when we're off-road, but damn, this is looking a lot better. Alright, so that's where it's dumping out right there. This is all gone. I might take this shroud off as well, we'll see, I don't know. But way better, so let's do a little sound clip. Alright, so obviously it sounds way better and it's tucked away more than the stock exhaust, so I'm super stoked. Only 80 bucks. I can't believe it made the Jeep sound that good. I'm actually going to go drive around a little bit and really see how I like it. So give the video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome Jeep videos. Y'all have a great day.